What's up guys, Reddit here to bring you a Pixle gun recording video. This is our second review, or weapon review, and we will be reviewing, I think we should start reviewing, well I've actually got I've got 3 backup weapons, but I don't really like backup weapons anyway. I think we're going to review something nice and simple, the minigun pistol. What I like about the minigun pistol is that it is a fast cut weapon, and that, I think we should use we're going pool party, why not? We're going pool party, we'll just review it. Oh, I didn't review it properly, did I? Wait, I'm just going to quit this for a minute. I'll be back in a sec. Well, I don't actually know what I was thinking then, but the real thing is this. It's got an efficiency of 11, fire rate of 99, a capacity of 8, which is really good, like the actual minigun itself, and mobility 100. If we upgrade it, don't actually want to upgrade it. We will get 16 efficiency and 110 mobility. If you upgrade it again, we'll have efficiency of 22, is that? 23, sorry. The capacity and a mobility of 110. So, yeah. It's a grade epic, and it's got zoom in it, which I think is the speed of the bullets or something like that, I don't know. Anyway, we're doing a proper review on it. Yeah, let's try it out. No, it's not exactly a weapon that I would use like all the way for a match, but you know, it is a good weapon. It is a very good, see, as you can see, you know, it will take a while, but you know, it's not a bad weapon. I mean, don't say I'm not going to buy it just because it looks really rubbish, because bear in mind I'm not the best at this game. I'm actually more or less the worst at this game. But, you know, yeah. You usually got to aim for the head, really. Yeah, I haven't got a single kill. Yeah. Oh, there we go. To be honest, everyone's really cool on this, but anyway. Well, let's see. Using the pet dragon. Oh wait, I don't like people when they're using the flamethrower. You don't pop a move or something. Well, the pet dragon, yeah, fair enough. I mean, I wouldn't use it. I'd use it, yeah. You know, it is just a weapon that you can just keep shooting and to see where you can get from it. I mean, I don't know if anyone, because I didn't think it'd be worth doing a review on it. It's just like reviewing like a normal pistol or something like that. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I've just lost 30 trophies too. Kills. Going for a full match. Yeah, but like I said, I'm not the best at the game. But you know, even if it doesn't help you, it doesn't let you get any armor either. Person the ghost at the end just completely missed me. Well, I haven't got a single point in it yet. So, if you want my recommendation weapon, don't buy it unless you've got some good aim. Because if you don't have a good aim, it's not really the weapon to actually want to buy. I mean, because to be honest, if I'm going to be truthful, I only bought because it'd be like using a rifle in the sniper forts. So you wouldn't have to keep on using snipers, but they actually give you the stock one. They give you the stuff that you actually start off with. So I was kind of, but then I started using it for a bit, and then I got bored of it and now I don't like the little spell. The next backup weapon I will buy though will be the dual laser gun pistol things, whatever they are. Oh, he's invisible. Oh, I killed him. I just got kill. As long as you've got a good aim, you'll be fine with this. Let's go up here so you can get a few kills. He's got the ghost lantern. I wasn't thinking about buying the ghost lantern. Saw some other stuff. You can just rapidly just shoot at people. And that's a kill assist thing. Those people. I would jetpack thingies, but I just don't want to. But he was using the sniper thing. He's really doing mate. There we go, 1 kill. So remember, you take off 1 kill. I just broke the rules, didn't I? I'm not allowed to use other weapons, I forgot all about it, honestly. Yeah, I know that you're not. Mind you, I got his attack with you. Ghost man. These guys. See, it's really laggy. It's not a weapon being good in. It is Hunger Games. Not sure if you can get it in chest, but it won't be. In a free-for-all match, it's pretty pointless because everyone's got all these different champs. Well, it's not as good. And then fire demons, they annoy me loads. Easy to tackle these little pet dragon there. But I recommend you using unless you do have a good aim, and if you don't use this weapon, I mean, just don't buy a good weapon. And it's not too bad, but I don't use it. It's not the best weapon. So I think we're on mil weapons now. Now I think I've only got 1 mil weapon. Yeah, it shows how poor I really am. But to one of these. You have the flamethrower. If I show you, it is not a bad weapon. I mean, it's good. It's cool. They've roundabout got the same effect. Apart from that's got better efficiency. But this is what I like to use. This is. I recently bought this. Oh yeah. Not I should buy it, but I just decided to buy it. I closed my eyes and just pressed the button. Definitely though, I did actually see a weapon in it. I was gonna buy. It was this. But then when I saw he was only getting like 3-4 kills of it, I saw some people who've been playing for, and they only got like a few kills of it. Although it's like an explosive rounds of the bee swarm as well. But no, I'm staying with this. I mean, this is pretty cool. Videos of it. I've had a little practice with it. It's just a weapon that I'm probably going to end up buying. But yeah, I will buy these. I'm saving up for them because they're pretty cool. And I'm still unsure whether I should buy that. I have seen that. I've seen some people actually play it up against me. And I didn't really like it, but I've seen a few other videos of this. It's really cool, to be honest. But I'm going to end the video there anyway. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Oh yeah, by the way, do not buy this weapon. And obviously, unless you're good at aiming, if you're the worst at aiming, do not buy this weapon. I think it's like about 150, something like that, to buy it. But just don't buy it, alright? So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.